Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. In this video we are going to talk about my plans for my car in 2023. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do every single thing that I want to do with the cars, but we're gonna try. Thank you for Horseplay Motoring for giving me this idea, because I could not think of a video idea to save my life. The first vehicle we are going to talk about is the daily driver, the F-150. Now, a lot of people that are close to me, they know I love my F-150. I did not know how much of a truck guy I was until I got me a truck. However, there is some stuff that I want to do with it. Not much, but it's still some stuff that I want to do with it. In 2023, I really want to work on my appearance on the F-150. Not saying that the truck is ugly by any means, but I'm gonna be honest with you, there's way too much chrome on there. I like chrome, but you gotta do it a certain way. There's too much chrome. I can't do the chrome bumpers, and I cannot do the chrome grille. And the wheels are kind of pushing it too. They're not even chrome, they're machined. So what I was thinking about was doing maybe a platinum appearance pack. Paint match bumpers with the brush aluminum grille and half the bumper. I'll show you a picture for you. Or I can do either a Rouse appearance kit or a Lightning appearance kit, which is the Lightning appearance kit would be like a crew cab Lightning. Doesn't really necessarily make sense, but yeah, it is, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I also want to do wheels. I'm not sure what wheels yet. If you have a great set of wheels in mind that would go good with a tuxedo black F-150, please let me know. Show some pictures, because it's not normal black. It's black with gold flakes, so it's gonna be kind of hard to match up with that. I can't just use regular black wheels. And like I said, guys, I'm not finna do much with the truck. I'm put exhaust on it. Of course, it's gonna be the Lightning exhaust where it comes out behind the cab. I also want to do helper bags, because I am going to use it for towing, and maybe a wrap. Raven wants to say hey. Don't knock over my camera. Go. Get off the table. Okay. The next car we're going to talk about is the Fox Body. I'm going to just go ahead and say this. The Fox Body is going to be a dedicated drift, track, rally. It's going to be a track car. That's all I know. It's leaning towards the drift side of things. I really want to try and drift it. I also want to do autocross. I also want to do time attack, which, I mean, it's a V6. It's not going to be the fastest thing in the world, but it would be fun to do. The Fox Body is going to be my car that I just have fun in. I don't have to worry about the paint being bad. I don't have to worry about any of that, because for one, the paint job is Rust-Oleum's. Cost me $50. Link up here. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It will show YouTube, hey, I'm making a decent video, and actually get me more views. I got my 1,000 subscribers, but I do not have my 4,000 hours watch time. So I really would like to try and get my watch time up so I can start making great videos for you guys. Also with the Fox Body, I really want to put a V8 in it. I'm leaning towards a pushrod 5.0, but I do have a 5.3. I know a lot of people gonna hate. I know, I'm sorry. I do have a 5.3 in the garage that has everything I need. Just swap it in there except for one head. I mean, if I'm making it into a track car and I just want the power, like, I get it. I'm sorry. I also have a Coyote motor in there, so there's that. I also want to do a little bit of work to the interior, make it look a little bit better. But before we go to the last car, which is the Mach 1, I want to talk about a bonus car I want to kind of work on this year, and that is the Toyota FJ. After making my last video, I got the itch. I really want to put a leveling kit on there, some nice tires, maybe a little bit of suspension work, and just see what the FJ can do off-roading. I'm not gonna lie, that was my first time off-roading for myself, not riding with anybody, and that was a blast. I could not. It was so fun to me. I still want to keep the engine stock. I really don't want to put any more power to it. So we got the daily, we got the track car, we got the trail ripper. That leaves us with the show car. Let's go ahead and talk about the 1998 Mach 1. It's really not much. My plans for the 1998 Mach 1 for 2023 is to repaint the bumper, because if you guys don't know, it fell off the trailer when I was trying to take it off the trailer. My fault. It was raining, it was dark, I was tired, we just got home from Florida, so I gotta repaint the front bumper. Not that big of a deal, just kinda sucks. And really, the only thing I really wanna do is pro charge it and tune it. That's it. And it'd be a show car. Be a nice fun, drag, street, show car. That's all I want. If I pro charge it in 2023, oh my God. I would love to pro charge my car next year. If I can, oh my God, I would be so happy. Think about it, just the noise of it. Oh, you know what? Here's a clip right here. You hear that? That's just nice. We do have one more vehicle. It's my wife's car. I don't know what she planned on doing with that, but they'll be interesting to see. If she do anything, we'll record it and we'll put it on here. If you guys are interested about learning more about my vehicles, go ahead and click on this video right here. I'll see you guys on the next one, all right?